Let's be honest. If you typed how to start trading stocks into YouTube, congratulations. You just entered the internet's largest financial circus. Everywhere you look, there's another self-proclaimed trading guru. One guy claims he turned $100 into a Ferrari. Another says he has a 99.8% win rate. Another wants you to buy his $497 course that's somehow been on sale since the dinosaurs were extinct. And somehow every single one of them has a thumbnail with their mouth wide open like they just witnessed a UFO steal their portfolio. Meanwhile, you're sitting there wondering, who am I actually supposed to listen to? Trust me, I've been there. When I first started trading, I consumed everything. YouTube videos, trading books, forums, courses, random advice from people whose profile picture was an anime character wearing sunglasses. And somehow, the more information I learned, the more confused I became. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. Eventually, it becomes overwhelming. So that's exactly why I made this video. To cut through all the nonsense, skip the fake guru magic, and give you a complete A to Z roadmap to learning stock trading as a complete beginner. No secret Discord, no DM me for mentorship, no overpriced course that promises financial freedom before you've even learned what a candlestick is. Everything completely free because, believe it or not, good information doesn't have to come with 12 monthly payments. Why you don't need money to start trading. Beginners ask the exact same question over and over again. Seriously, I could probably answer it in my sleep. How much money do I need to start trading? Some people think it's $100. Others think it's $1,000. Some won't even start unless they have 10 grand sitting in their account. But here's the answer almost nobody expects. $0. Yep, absolutely nothing. And no, I'm not about to tell you to borrow money from your grandma or sell your kidney. Let me explain. The mistake that wipes out most beginners. Here's what usually happens. Someone watches a few TikTok videos, sees a trader make $5,000 before breakfast, gets hit with enough dopamine to power a small city, then immediately transfers their life savings into a brokerage account. Because how hard can this be? And 3 trading days later, their account looks like it lost a fight with a wood chipper. Every trade goes against them. Every decision feels wrong. Their confidence disappears faster than free pizza at the office. Then comes the sentence almost every beginner eventually says, maybe trading just isn't for me. No, trading wasn't the problem. Jumping into the deep end before learning how to swim was. You wouldn't enter a Formula 1 race after playing Mario Kart. You wouldn't perform surgery because you watched 2 episodes of Grey's Anatomy. So why would you risk real money before learning how markets actually work? Unfortunately, that's exactly what thousands of beginners do every single day, and it's completely avoidable. The smartest way to learn trading, instead of risking real money, use something called paper trading or a trading simulator. Think of it like flight school for traders. Pilots don't get handed a passenger jet on day 1. They spend countless hours in simulators making mistakes that don't kill anybody. Trading works the same way. You get fake money, real market data, real price movement, real opportunities to make terrible decisions without turning your bank account into a crime scene. You can practice different trading strategies, risk management, controlling your emotions, long positions, short positions, finding entries, managing exits. Basically, you get to make all your rookie mistakes while the only thing getting hurt is your fake account, which is a much cheaper education than blowing up your real one. Now, here's where people completely mess this up. They treat paper trading like it's GTA. Oh no, I just lost $80,000 in fake money. Anyway, congratulations, you learned absolutely nothing. If you're going to paper trade, treat every fake dollar like it's your paycheck. If you normally wouldn't risk half your account on one trade, don't suddenly become Warren Buffett after 3 energy drinks just because the money isn't real. Good habits are built during practice. Bad habits are exposed when real money shows up. If you gamble with fake money, you'll probably gamble with real money too. And the stock market loves teaching expensive lessons. Which trading simulator should you use? There are dozens of trading simulators out there. Some are free, some charge monthly subscriptions. Personally, I'd recommend Webull, mostly because it's free. The interface is beginner friendly and you don't need a PhD in computer science just to place your first trade. Last time I checked, they were even giving away free shares when new users signed up. Nice little bonus here. No, this video isn't sponsored. Although Webull, if you're watching this, feel free to send me a message. Just saying. The habit that will make you improve faster than everyone else. Now here's the advice almost nobody gives beginners. Keep a trading journal. Seriously, this one habit alone can separate you from thousands of new traders. Every single trade, write it down. Win, why, loss, why. Did you follow your rules? Did you move your stop loss? Did greed show up? Did fear kick in? Did you panic sell because one tiny red candle appeared and suddenly you thought civilization was ending? Write everything. Your trading journal is brutally honest, unlike your brain, which somehow becomes a world-class lawyer every time you lose money. Well, technically, if that news article hadn't come out, and if the Fed didn't say that, and Mercury wasn't in retrograde. No, you broke your rules. Write it down, learn from it, move on. Your winners matter just as much. Most people only study their losing trades. That's a mistake. Study your winners too. Figure out exactly what you did right. Was your entry patient? Did you wait for confirmation? Did you manage risk correctly? Did you actually follow your trading plan instead of making decisions based on vibes and caffeine? Because successful trading isn't just about eliminating mistakes. It's about repeating good decisions over and over again. The more consistent your process becomes, the more consistent your results eventually become. Stop chasing money. Here's something beginners hate hearing. When you're first learning, forget about the money. Seriously, your goal isn't making $10,000 this month. Your goal is becoming a trader who's capable of making $10,000 consistently. There is a massive difference. Focus on building a strategy, managing risk, controlling emotions, following your rules, learning from every trade. The profit comes later. Everyone wants that supercar, but nobody wants the spreadsheets. But the spreadsheets usually come first. So, if you're wondering where to start trading, start here. Not with real money, not with expensive courses, not with some influencer promising some super high win rate. Start with paper trading. Treat it seriously, journal every trade, study your mistakes, repeat what works. Do that consistently, and you'll already be ahead of the majority of beginners who skip this step entirely. Trust me, the market will still be here when you're ready. Your money should be too. And remember, the goal isn't to make money on your first trade. The goal is to still have money left after your 100th.